father said, she said like she's comfortable to get with 2 tricks to him and 2 tricks to me. I said, no, I'm not comfortable. I want 2 cards. I'll take 2 cards. If they are favorable to me, I'll keep with me. Or if they are not, I'll just return it back to her. So I'll basically go randomly. I don't know. And I'm just checking these cards. And I don't want 1 card, I want 1 card. So I'll go back and I am like, I am returning the other card. I am keeping 1 card. I am returning the other card. So now she owes nothing to me, but she has to make 2 tricks to give it back to my father since she owes 2 tricks. 5 वाटायची आता.
Yes.
हुकुम तुम्ही सांगायचे. You have to try the trump.
Club.
So the trump is club. I have to make 3 cards now, like 3 tricks rather than. So now this is one of the way where she has come to up to certain. She was in -4. Now she has come to -2, like -2. And the perfect round would be now if he makes 5, she makes 2, and I make 3. So this would be a perfect round. First round was not a perfect round where she lost with -4. My father has to play. He starts with the trump suit, guys. This is his speciality. Whenever in doubt, play the trump. This is the rule in, I think, all kind of bridge. It is another card game altogether. See, as of now, we are having all the suits, so we are not. She didn't have the suit. See, guys, she didn't have the suit, so she was like, okay, I'll hit with the trump. Now I didn't have the suit, so I went for the
Roughing.
roughing or taking it with the trump suit. He went for it. He knew that there is still a trump ace outside, and he was like, I don't want to take much of the risk. See, this is like he had to make 5. He made 5. I had to make 3. I made 3. She had to make actually 4. In reality, 4, but like since she dealt the cards, she shuffled and dealt, so she had to only make 2. So if she gives these 2 tricks to my father,
Which she owed.
she was owing previously 2 tricks, so that was 0. But then of this round, again she has like no tricks done, which she was required to make 2. So she owes 2 tricks again to my father. So in this way, you can just keep on continuing playing the game, us together with 3 people, until you are like bored, or you don't want to continue, or it's at the end of the time, whatever is the reason, you can keep on playing. And this is the version. This is the way we can play with 3 people. Till now, you have only seen card games where 2 people are involved. This is a game where 3 people are involved. I might be coming up with few more card games where only 1 person can play, or 4-5 people can play. I'm also covering this because I have to show that all 3 have to, irrespective of win or lose, they have to deal. Now it's my turn to keep the trump. My father, while I was speaking, while I was giving commentary, he did a smart gameplay that, okay, I'll shuffle, I'll deal, and let him do the commentary. I am in a dilemma, guys, right? And this is like, it always happens with me. I am not able to decide or come to a conclusion which suit to keep as a trump. I don't know what to do. I'll show the cards. This time around, you can see my cards. Why I am saying so? These are the originally dealt 5 cards, which I have kept in a proper fashion in the way I want to. See, these are the cards because of which I am not able to, and that is like chivda, which my mother and father are eating. I don't know the English this thing, but it's of rice basically.
Flattened rice
Flattened rice
and
and
other assorted
other this thing. And if you avoid, guys, if you want the recipe of it or the cooking this thing, I'll ask my mom to show the recipe and the complete food this thing on her food channel, and I may also cover it on my channel as well. So this is the reason why I'm not able to. Yeah, you can't pick those cards until I am not decided the Trump, and this is the reason why I'm not undecided. I don't know. My heart says this, the very first card over here. This should be the Trump, but I can't go on that because number of cards are equal. I don't know rest. Let's hope for the best, guys. I'll give it back to my mother. Spade. Oh, what a fortune. I'll take the camera back. I'm taking the camera back again very fast, very quickly, just to show you guys how my just for the I think this particular game recording, my this has changed. I mean, the luck has changed. See the cards. These are the three cards. Then these three cards, like six, and then these four cards. And now I have to start the game. So, you know what is there outside in the market, which cards are there, which cards are not there, who might be having, who might not be having that. Even I don't know, even you don't know. So, let's hope for the best. I have to make 5, that is for sure. And this is the trick. That was the singleton, and I went for it. As of now, that is going great. This is my father's trick, guys. I have not roughed it. Like, I didn't hit with the trump. I just discarded my heart. I have first time, whenever I have said 5, I have always lost. First time I had made 5, and she has pulled one trick back. She already owed 2 tricks to my father. Now she has pulled one trick back. So even in spite giving 2 tricks to my father,
You're short of one.
she is short of 1. So in this way, it just keeps on continue, and in this way you just keep on playing till either your time limit is over or you have ended your fun day and everything. If you like this game, or if you want me to cover more such interesting card games or indoor games, you can just mention in my comment section, which is below, and you can also write it to my email address, which is in the description box. Please like this video and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe button. Bye.